Topvison. So the problem here was So it looks like the battery's dead. It's been sitting all winter. Guess we didn't put a trickle charger on it. So we're going to jump start it with a Topvison. It's a jump start pack we've used for a little bit. Works pretty good. I'll throw a link in the description for this if you want to get one for yourself. Highly recommend it. So the way this works is you got your starter module there, the jump pack, a carrying case that comes with it. This is at 85%. We haven't charged this in a while, so it's not surprised that it's down a little bit. And you got your connector. This is going to be what's connecting to the battery that supplies the power to the battery from the jump box. That just plugs in right here under this little cover. Just like that. Take a positive end, negative end, connect them both. It's going to show on the connector the battery voltage. Right now it's showing 12.5 since the battery box is powering the battery now. So now let's take a look and see if this thing will start up now that we got some battery juice to it. Pretty good. Started right up after we got that jump pack on it. Like I said, I'll throw a link in the description for that. It's very handy. Now that we have the machine out, we're going to be using the Chemical Guys foam cannon. Now this one just connects to your standard hose bib, not the pressure washer one. We thought this might be a good one to try out before we get the pressure washer one. We hear these things work pretty good. We've never personally used one. They seem like they would do the job. So we're gonna try it out today on the Ultima ZT1. We bought it for the Scat Pack Challenger, which you see over there in Go Mango. But we're gonna get the Cub Cadet here cleaned up for the season. So the kit that we got came with this Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash. It says to put a little bit in the container here, and it should create a high foam cleansing wash. Well, let's see. Okay, well, looks like the tip just goes on like that. You push it on, it clicks. Like that. You got the number dial. The higher it is, the more soap it'll use. So the problem here was the hose wasn't connected to the sprayer that pulls the soap from the bottom of the container.
Luckily, the senior man was here.
Luckily,
to solve the problem.
So that's something to be mindful of when you go to use this device. Now let's give it a shot.
Setting 2.
Setting 2. Now they say you shouldn't have to, this should be touch free, but I'm going to go back with a brush and hit a couple of the spots that are dirty. So that looks pretty good. Like I said before, we used the Chemical Guys foam cannon. Came in this kit, came with a bucket and all, and some other stuff. The only things we used today were the two sitting on the seat there, the foam cannon itself and the Honeydew Auto Wash. As you can tell, it looks pretty good. Cleaned up pretty nice. Minimal effort. And it's ready for the season. Just got to get the blade sharpened up and the oil changed. We'll get another video on that of how to do that. It's really simple on this machine. If you like these videos, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment, and once again I'll leave the link in the description for the foam cannon kit and the power bank jump starter. Have a great day.